What is alpha hydroxy acid? Alpha hydroxy acid are a group of acids derived from plant and animals. They are used in skincare products for their anti-aging properties. Today's we will discuss alpha hydroxy acid for exfoliating, wrinkles, acne and more.
Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily.
Research indicates that they are useful for improving acne scars, hyperpigmentations and melasma. There are three types of exfoliating acid: alpha hydroxy acid, beta hydroxy acid and polyhydroxy acid. Among the three, alpha hydroxy acid are known to be the most gentle and easily absorbed into the skin. Alpha hydroxy acid benefits or uses: 1. Exfoliates skin. The number one benefits of alpha hydroxy acid is their ability to remove the outer layer of the dead skin, leaving you with a smoother, more even-toned appearance. By exfoliating old skin cells, alpha hydroxy acid makes way for new skin cells turnover and stimulate the production of collagen, a protein that's naturally diminished with age. 2. Promotes collagen productions. Because alpha hydroxy acid works to exfoliate the skin and remove old skin cells and collagen fiber, they promote the production of new protein-rich fibers that improve skin appearance. 3. Improves acne. Because alpha hydroxy acids work to remove build-up dirt and debris that may clog your pores, they can help to improve or even prevent acne. 4. Reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Research shows that alpha hydroxy acid helps increase skin thickness and smooth out fine lines and wrinkles. Alpha hydroxy acid skin fillers are used to set the skin's outer surface and result in improved skin textures and cell renewal. 5. Improves blood flow. By increasing blood flow, alpha hydroxy acid improves your complexion. It draws blood and oxygen to the skin surface, helping repair damage that may be caused by sun exposure, irritations, or environmental triggers. 6. Reduces UV damage. Alpha hydroxy acid are often used to reduce sunspots that are caused by UV light exposure. These spots are common on your face, especially your cheeks, nose and forehead, as well as your chest and hands. The discolorations or dark patches are improved by alpha hydroxy acid because it promotes skin cells turnover, allowing for new, evenly pigmented skin cells to come to the skin surface. What do you think of this important information? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.